Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anne Marie with Anne Marie Creates, and today I have a project share. This is my next design team project for Country Craft Creations. I made a 6x8 mini album featuring the SOAR paper collection from Country Craft Creations. It is exclusive to Country Craft. Let me see if I can find it. So sorry for the noise there. It is this paper collection. I've made, I don't know, 3 or 4 projects now with this paper collection, and if you would like to purchase it, again, you can only get it from Country Craft Creations. You better run and get it before I go back and buy some more. So I'm not going to say for sure, but this just may be my last project with this paper. I just absolutely love it. I mean, look at the butterflies and the colors. They're just right up my alley. So I made this little 6x8 album. It is super easy to put together. The tutorial will be uploaded shortly after this video, and so let's look at it. So again, it's 6x8. It has 2 signatures, if you want to call them signatures. There's one here and one here, so 2 base pages with some flips and flaps, you know me. And so here is, I'm going to try to hold this so you don't get a glare. So I just cut out using 2 rectangular dies that I had. I just cut out a frame, added some sequins, and if you saw my design team haul video, you would have seen that I got these. They're actually called crystals embellishments. They're buttons galore and more from Country Craft. I just felt like there wasn't enough contrast because I put that purple paper back there, so I added some yellows and some greens and some hot pink, you know, just for some contrast. Listen, that sound is just awesome. I love the sound of a good shaker. Anyway, so then I also had some dies in my stash, so I just cut out a few flowers. You can make paper, you know, handmade flowers using the paper collection. I've done that too. This is one of the tags that says SOAR. I love that. And the butterflies, and this is the purple seam binding that you can get off of the website. I just made a tiny little bow, and these gold leaves I just made from some mirror cardstock. Added some what are these called? Sequins that I have in my stash. You can use enamel dots. Yeah, so that's my cover. The back is pretty plain. I don't typically put anything on the back cover because, you know, when you set it down, you pick it up, it gets slid all around. So, and this is the spine. So you see how it's iridescent faux leather. I don't know, is this alligator or crocodile or something? I don't know, but see how the color changes depending on what it's nearby. So you see that's like a bluish, come this way, and there you see the pink and the purple. It's so cool. I love it. Anyway, all right, so we open it up, and this is the left inside cover, and there are 2 pockets here. I just have some big tags. I just had some pink cardstock in my stash. Yeah, just made a tag. Oh, I should say that the base of the book, or the basic book, is made out of medium weight cardstock, and I used the white artisan cardstock. So that's what this is here. So this one slides right in here, and then I just put these 2 in here and just tuck them in. So over here, so this is we'll do it this way. This is the first page. Okay, so look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Gets me every time. So here is just a basic belly band, and I will show you that at the end. So just a basic belly band page. Look at the beautiful colors. So then this flap closes back up, and I use some of the purple seam binding. On my computer screen, it's looking a little bit royal blue, but it is definitely a nice deep purple. And then it opens like that, and then it flaps over, and then you can see how beautiful here. So this is the back of the page. gorgeous pocket. Look how pretty that butterfly is. Oh, and a little crooked. And then I just made a, just a little booklet. This one says butterflies appear when angels are near. Isn't that so pretty? And it just slides in there. That's a 5x7, I believe. And then it just repeats. So there's 2 pages. It repeats. Super easy to make. So again, there's just a basic belly band. Whoops. This one, butterflies are free to fly. Now I know we all have that song in our head now. You're welcome. This is, I think, a 5x7. No, that one's 5 1/4 by 7 1/4. So you can put a, you can put a photo here and do some journaling on the side, or put 2 photos on here. And then there's plenty of space in here for some additional photos. And then this, again, this is the I believe the color is light pink on the website for this seam binding. And then that's beautiful page. I just love this page. And then on the back, again, it's a pocket. Beautiful. This is I think the B side of one of the pages. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then look at that. It's like a mason jar with gorgeous flowers and butterflies. This gingham pattern paper I had in my stash. So I actually believe this was Simple Stories from earlier in the spring or earlier in the summer. I don't know if it's still available or not. It might be. But again, it's just another one of those 5 1/4, by 7 1/4 booklets, where you could get 1, 2, 3 photos on there with journaling, and it slides in there. And again, there's more room for more tags. So then if you move over here to the inside back cover, I just made a waterfall. So there are 5, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 waterfall flaps, and these first 4 are the 3x4 cut-aparts that are on the cut-aparts page, and it says, "With brave wings she flies." How pretty is that? And I left the backs blank for journaling. This one's gorgeous. This is a really pretty yellow goldish frame. Look at that one. Pretty. And there's that one. And then this is just the back of the B side of one of the pages. I think it was the cut-aparts page. So that just folds back down. And again, this one, I believe, I think this is the Kelly Green, I think is the name of the color of this one. So yeah, so that's the book. I have to go back and tie those again. Let's do that now while we chat. So as I mentioned, the free step-by-step tutorial will be uploaded to my YouTube channel in just about an hour or so today. I just have to finish putting it together and give you all the links and all the things, and you'll see just how super easy this is to make. It doesn't take any time at all. But if you have any questions, if you do make it, I would love to see it on the Scrapbookers page, or anywhere you can find me on social media. I'm Anne Marie Creates on YouTube. I am at Anne Marie Creates on Instagram, and you all know how to find me on the Scrapbookers page. But let me show you the one thing that I said I was going to show you at the end. So this is not my design. This is, as soon as I saw, I mean, this is a video from, I don't know, a year or two ago. I saw a video from a year or two ago where somebody, it was actually, I believe, a German woman, created this card. So as soon as I saw this, I was like, I have to use this paper collection. So you can see I used the same paper that I used on the front of the book. So when you open it, I don't know how to show you. Let's do it this way. Okay, so this is just going to be a card. Actually, let me do it this way. When you open it up, ta-da! Look at that. So you can see, when you open it, how cool is that? So then what I did, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 butterflies. And I have an old Martha Stewart punch that's a butterfly. So I punched a bunch of butterflies then out of the pattern paper. Then I also did some out of iridescent vellum. So you can see each one of these is the pattern paper. It is just so cool. I love it. So I just put one of the cut aparts up here. It just, one of the tags, be your own kind of beautiful. So, and then you can put a photo down here if you want to, or you can put, a little white square, like a little journaling mat or something. Excuse me, I mean, just how cute is that? I absolutely love it. These little, I don't know what you call these little things that are holding the pillars that are holding the butterflies. It would look really cool if they were made out of acetate as well. So it would just kind of look like the butterflies are floating. But how cool is that? So yeah, I just decided to, if I were to give this away as a gift, that would be the card, and it just tucks right here in the belly band. There you go. So again, thank you so much for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye.